Hello, I am Shalini Talwar, Associate Professor, Finance and Economics at SPJIMR. The announcement of its first research paper contest with an emphasis on practitioner orientation by CFS has intensified the discussion amongst academic researchers on how to incorporate practitioner orientation in their research. Being an academic researcher, I understand the dilemma all too well. All scholarly papers follow a certain structure, starting at the gaps and ending at conclusion. Now, where would the practitioner orientation fit in this scheme of things? Yet, to be fair, the two orientations, academic and practitioner, are not really tangential. We just need to adjust our orientation, our perspective a bit, and we'll have an academic research paper with a practitioner orientation. How to do it? There are multiple ways, but one way that comes to my mind, the way I would do it, is start at conceptualization stage itself. So instead of basing my conceptualization or the research questions on a gap in literature, I would focus on something which is being discussed in the media or some other sources, a concern which is noted by the industry. Rest of it, once the conceptualization and research questions are firmed up on the basis of the gap in practice, rest of the paper is essentially the same as any academic research. I believe by conceptualizing our paper, our research question on the basis of gap in practice, we are actually preparing ourselves for the future as academic researchers. Because some journals have already started encouraging researchers to base their papers, their conceptualization, on gap in practice rather than a gap in literature. Moving on, what else can we do? One way, or rather a more important way, is to ensure that our research design enables us to capture data and analyze it in such a way that we can offer more tangible, action-oriented implications to the manager. Over and above this, we can also make our paper more more practitioner-oriented, is by formalizing our practitioner orientation right at the beginning of the paper, by putting practitioner points or practitioner takeaway. Many journals, in fact, to be fair, not many, some journals are doing this already. For example, JPIM, wherein you can find that practitioner points are showcased right after the abstract. Reading papers published by JPIM could be a great beginning point to write a paper that fits within the scope of our research contest. I invite you all to contribute your paper to our contest and contribute to this growing literature on practitioner-oriented academic research. Happy writing!